Side hustles you've never thought of. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. Are you interested in a side hustle? Is your choice of side hustle too common or hard to start with? The key to success in starting a side hustle is selecting a business idea that fits your abilities and current market trends. A side hustle can be both rewarding and challenging at the same time. So without any delay, let us look into 8 easy side hustles that you've never thought of. Number 8. Podcasting. Starting a podcast and gaining a sizable audience likely will surely not happen overnight. It requires prolonged consistency, commitment, and technical expertise in audio editing. However, if you're determined and have plenty to say, this business opportunity might be lucrative and pleasant. Over recent years, several platforms hosting podcasts have emerged, some of which are accessible through particular websites. There are numerous ways to monetize podcasts. Selling advertisements, selling goods, and even soliciting donations are a few of the methods. Despite the time of the day or the thing they're doing, people will always require something to listen to. Whether it's a comedy or an educational podcast, there's always a podcast for everyone to enjoy listening to on any given day. Number 7. Pet sitting. Think about providing pet sitting services or even dog walking services if you adore animals. You can earn some income by walking dogs or offering pet sitting services to pet owners who need someone to take care of their animals while they're away from home or otherwise occupied. You can promote your services locally as well as on websites including Rover or Wag. You can establish your brand by coming up with a catchy and memorable name for your pet sitting and dog walking business. Create a logo and design marketing materials to represent your brand. Also, to protect yourself and the pets you care for, consider getting liability insurance specifically designed for pet sitters and dog walkers. Some areas require you to have certifications such as pet first aid and CPR, so check with your local authorities on any requirements. Even if not required, obtaining certifications can show potential clients that you're serious about your job. Also, try to reach out to local vets and stores to build relationships and ask if you can leave your business cards or flyers at their establishments. Offer a referral program to encourage them to recommend your services to their clients. Take the time to understand each pet's needs and be reliable and punctual in your services. Treat every client's pet as if they were your own. If you do so, you will succeed for sure. Number 6. Online teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider offering online tutoring or teaching services. With the growing popularity of virtual learning, there's a high demand for tutors or educators in various fields. Platforms like VIP Kid or Chegg Tutors allow you to connect with students and offer your services online. The need for online teaching assistance is growing, whether it's due to school kids looking for extra help beyond the classroom or businesses converting their staff to various training from home. Also, the rise in flexible work arrangements has freed up more time for individuals to pursue hobbies and interests, like learning a musical instrument or getting a grip on a second language. You have a range of alternatives for marketing your tutoring services, including using specialized websites like MyTutor or SuperProf, or social media platforms like LinkedIn. Number 5. Freelance content creating. Nearly every company with an internet presence will need help with its content. There are an increasing number of channels that require a regular and continuous supply of interesting information, whether it be for shopping sites, blogs, newsletters, or advertisements. If you have the essential writing talents, creativity, and willingness to work flexibly, starting your own content creating business could be a wise decision. There are numerous tools available in today's market to assist freelancers to interact with clients from around the globe, including your own LinkedIn profile and well-known freelance marketplaces like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Why not try it out? Number 4. Photography and videography. There are certain websites that provide photo editing services, as well as those websites which sell photo editing services online for money. You can be an online photo editor on sites like Fiverr to sell your talent and creativity. Being a wedding photographer is also rewarding. Moving on to video editing, businesses can no longer afford to ignore this medium given the continued rapid development of video consumption. It's estimated that 86% of companies use video as a component of their marketing plan, making it a very valuable service. Even though investing in the right equipment can initially be expensive, the financial rewards can be quite satisfying. Skilled videographers can choose from a variety of options, including helping brands promote their products or services, creating content for YouTubers, or capturing people's priceless moments at wedding ceremonies and other special occasions. By focusing on a specialized area, you can better target your customers. Number 3. Renting property. Hosting your house or any other vacant property that you have as a vacation rental could be a very successful business decision if you reside in a popular tourist area, have additional space for visitors, or have a special home with good condition or facilities. Websites such as Airbnb and VRBO make it simple to advertise your property to potential guests, exposing your rental listing to millions of tourists worldwide. Also, you can rent out vehicles. One of the biggest reasons to rent out your vehicle is the money that comes in. This is a great way to supplement any income that you may be struggling with, and if done correctly, this could be a very lucrative business venture. Number 2. Selling handmade products. Consider selling your handmade products or crafts online if you're crafty or creative. Platforms such as Etsy enable you to open a shop and sell your one-of-a-kind items to a global audience. This side hustle allows you to benefit from your passion while working at your own speed and creating goods that are relevant to your interests. Outline your goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections in a business plan. This will help you stay organized and focused. Try to master your skills and put effort into what you do. Pursuing a new goal is not always easy. Sometimes you need to have a lot of patience in order to establish a smooth flow of income through your side hustle. So work on your brand and try to make it a successful business. Number 1. Baking. Baking can be a great side hustle for those who love being in the kitchen and enjoy creating delicious treats. It can be a rewarding way to earn some extra income, whether you're already skilled at baking or looking to develop your baking skills further. Before everything, decide on the type of baked goods you want to specialize in. This could be anything from cookies and cupcakes to bread and pastries. Consider your strengths and what you enjoy baking the most. Experiment with different recipes and try to practice on them to near perfection before starting your side hustle. Sometimes you might come up with new indulgent recipes too. Make sure you have recipes that are tried and tested, and then you can consistently produce quality baked goods. Also, do a cost analysis. Calculate the cost of ingredients for each recipe and determine how much it will cost you to produce each item. Consider the time it takes to prepare and bake the goods as well. Then determine the prices for your baked goods based on the cost of ingredients, preparation time, and the level of skill and craftsmanship involved. Research the market to see what other bakers charge for similar products. Who knows? One day you might end up being an entrepreneur. Remember, any side hustle requires dedication, creativity, and the ability to manage your time effectively. With the right approach, you can turn your passion for work and enthusiasm to earn into a profitable venture.